Welcome today. I'm sharing the 5 essential rules to unlock your potential and become as calm, composed, and strategic as Aynokoji Kiyotaka, or even surpass him. While some may say he's just a fictional character and his levels are unattainable, I urge you to challenge those limiting beliefs and take this video seriously. I know you've likely watched numbers of videos with shallow advice, but I'm about to share practical tips that can genuinely help you improve. So, let's get started and unlock your potential. Let's explore each rule in depth and transform your mindset and behavior. Are you ready to unlock your potential and become the best version of yourself? By implementing these strategies, you can strengthen your self-control and unlock your potential for success. Remember, self-control is the foundation of achievement, and with dedication and practice, you can join the ranks of the top 1%. Rule 2. Unlocking knowledge. Aynokoji's reading rules for discipline and success. Reading books is an excellent way to cultivate discipline and knowledge. Here are some rules to help you make reading a habit. Remember, reading is the key to unlocking knowledge. Set a goal to read a certain number of books per month or year. Create a reading routine. Consistency is key to developing a reading habit. Designate a specific time and place for reading each day. Start with a manageable goal, like 15-20 minutes a day, and increase as you progress. Knowledge is power, and reading is the key to unlocking it. But which book you should read to become like Aynokoji, or better than Aynokoji, the books on power, philosophy, and human nature? Rule 2. The Mastermind's library books to enhance your skills and mindset. If Aynokoji Kiyotaka were in your shoes, he would undoubtedly read these books to enhance his skills and mindset. I highly recommend the following one: Atomic Habits by James Clear. This book provides a comprehensive guide to building good habits, a trait that Aynokoji exemplifies. By reading this book, you'll learn how to create a system for success. 2. Thinking Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman. This book unlocks the secrets of critical thinking, offering strategies that Aynokoji has employed in the classroom of elite. You'll gain valuable insights into decision-making and problem-solving. 3. The 48 Laws of Power. Become powerful like Aynokoji by applying laws like always say less than necessary, Law 4, which he uses frequently in Classroom of Elite. Many laws in this book are mirrored in Aynokoji's actions. Rule 3. Optimize your mind and body. To optimize your cognitive and physical abilities, I recommend a comprehensive exercise regimen inspired by Aynokoji's approach. For mental stimulation, engage in strategic games like chess to improve critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Challenge yourself with puzzles and brain teasers to enhance cognitive flexibility. Take on challenging tasks that push your limits, such as learning a new language or skill. Practice daily meditation to improve mental clarity, focus, and emotional regulation. In addition, incorporate physical exercise to enhance overall well-being. Begin with morning stretching to activate your muscles, improve flexibility, and increase blood flow. Engage in cardiovascular activities like running, cycling, or swimming to improve cardiovascular health and endurance. Incorporate strength training with exercises like push-ups, sit-ups, and squats to build muscle and enhance overall physical resilience. Remember, intellectual prowess and physical strength are interconnected. By cultivating both, you'll unlock your full potential, achieve exceptional mental and physical resilience, and become a more well-rounded and capable individual. Rule 5. Unlock your inner strength. Aynokoji's 2-month consistency challenge. Consistency is key to achieving exceptional results. Without dedication and persistence, you won't reach the level of Aynokoji or surpass him. Apply the rules I've shared with you daily and commit to this routine for at least 2 months. With unwavering consistency, you'll witness remarkable progress and surpass 80% of people in mental and physical abilities. Embrace this challenge and transform yourself into a superior version, rivaling even Aynokoji's excellence. Congratulations on reaching the end of this video. If you've made it this far, it means you're genuinely committed to transforming your life. Don't worry, you're part of the dedicated 11% who are serious about self-improvement. As a reward, I'm sharing a powerful routine that can help you become a mastermind like Aynokoji, or even surpass him. By applying this routine for just 2 months, you'll be ahead of 80% of the people around you. To access this game-changing routine, download the PDF from the description box below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on more helpful videos that will aid you in your journey to greatness.